In the scientific spirit, the knowledge acquired during this time was based on scientific approach. Means they get the knowledge only the scientific approaches. Before that, बिफोर कमिंग टू द कंक्लूजन पीपल फर्स्ट ऑब्जर्व्ड, वो पहले उसको सोचते थे, समझते थे, ऑब्जर्व करते थे, देन एक्सपेरिमेंटेड, उस पर एक्सपेरिमेंट्स किए जाते थे, देन फाइनली अराइव्ड एट कंक्लूजन, देन आफ्टर दे विल कम टू द कंक्लूजन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन दीज डेज कोविड इज़ अ वेरी common word. For the COVID, vaccination is to be under development. So they observed how the COVID reactions, virus reaction, then they experimented, then they finally received the conclusion. So finally our scientists are not reached at any conclusion, only experiments will be done. Next is spirit of inquiry. Due to the spirit of inquiry, the age of exploration, exploration means research, experimentation and discoveries was ushered to the Renaissance. Ushered means guidance by the Renaissance, means after the Renaissance, they all are for the new researches, gone for the new researches, new experiments and the discoveries. Now, Reformation. Reformation refers to the two major developments in the Europe later part of the Renaissance. First is Protest Reformation, second is Catholic Counter Reformation. Martin Luther, monk in Germany, led the Reformation movement. He protested against the practices of clergies. Clergy means religious persons like padri, etc. The Protestant Reformation resulted the split in Christianity. After the Reformation, there is a split in Christianity.